Hi, I'm Atherton and this is our brand new S170. Like our A-range bikes, the S170 is built different, with world-beating technology applied here in Wales to bring you unrivaled fit, strength and performance. Our motivation for this new range was to bring the learnings from our award-winning Halo range to a more accessible price point. Right from the start, when we founded the bike company, it has been a big goal of ours to build a bike strong enough for the people we see every week at the bike park and out on the trails. We wanted more people to be able to ride our bikes. When we first wrote the design brief for this new range, strength, durability and ride quality were absolutely essential. Our new S range is built from aluminium and features Dave Weagle's world-renowned DW4 linkage. Like in the A range, we use lug and tube construction. At the start of the project, we considered so many different options, but after a lot of investigation, lug and tube was a clear winner. We use an innovative approach to CNC to create aluminium lugs, then bond them to drawn aluminium tubes using an insanely strong double lap shear joint. This also means that the joints are moved away from the areas of maximum stress. Because we don't weld our bikes, we can use 7075 aluminium, which has a 70% higher fatigue performance, as well as 70% higher ultimate tensile strength compared to weldable alternatives. We use an infinite life design approach, so there is no fatigue over time. Athy and the Big Three have been putting this bike through its absolute paces, whether it's Alf over-rotating one of his big 360s, or Athy landing to flat on so many of the bike park jumps. So then sent off to the labs at EFDE for their absolutely brutal tri tests. All this means we can confidently offer a first owner lifetime warranty wherever or however you ride. Because we build all of our frames right next to the bike park here in Machynlleth, all of the bikes are treated to the same level of perfectionism that you'd expect from Atherton bikes. The S170 is a hard-hitting, big mountain enduro bike built 100% from aluminium. This bike is a beast, capable and versatile, with a mullet setup, straight through seat post and 170mm of rear travel. It was super important to us that we were as excited to ride the S170 as we were to ride the A170. And that's a big ask. The A170 is my absolute favourite, but this bike will take everything you can throw at it. It loves charging downhill, but learning from our award-winning A150, this bike handles great on the climbs. In the park, you can push it as hard as you like, but you head out into the hills for a big enduro ride, and the new geometry and the DW4 linkage will be perfect. The mullet setup means we've been able to use a straight-through seat tube, meaning you can get the seat nice and low for the descents. The S170 is perfect for the riders that want one bike to do it all, strong and capable enough to be able to take everything you can throw at it. It comes in 12 standard sizes. Simply input your height, saddle height and arm span into the fit calculator and we'll calculate the closest size for you. Over 20 years of racing World Cups has shown us just how vital fit is to both rider performance and confidence. This is why we offer so many more sizes than any of our competitors. All of our S-range bikes are built around Dave Weagle's famous 4-bar linkage. The multi-World Cup winning DW4 platform offers a simple structural solution while still delivering incredible performance that we demand for our riders. Then on the downhill sections, DW4's progressive leverage ratio means the bike's going to soak up those small subtle bumps yet still take those huge impacts. It's a simpler solution than the infinitely adjustable DW6 that's found on the A-range bikes, for that grab your bike and head to the park type feel. DW4 works in combination with our custom-built aluminium tubing that we designed to be the perfect balance between stiffness and compliance. So whether you're climbing or descending on the S170, you'll feel that maximum connection to the trail as well as that composed, confidence-inspiring ride. Initially, we're offering 3 distinctive builds, all with 170mm of rear travel and 180mm up front. Prices start from $4,800 for our rugged, reliable Build 3. Build 2 is built around the Fox Performance suspension range, as well as the super durable SRAM GX drivetrain. The performance range is an affordable way for more people to experience that factory level of expertise. And this is build 1 with a RockShox Super Deluxe Coil Ultimate on the rear and RockShox Zeb Ultimates up front. It has a mixed SRAM drivetrain with XO1 upgrades where the performance advantage is the highest. Every component is chosen to guarantee that trouble-free day's riding, as well as the performance to take the biggest hits and satisfy the most demanding riders. All of our S170 builds have Hayes Dominion A4 brakes, Stans wheels, FSA cockpit and Continental Cryptotal tyres, as preferred or chosen by the race team. The S170 comes with internal cable routing for optimum cable life and a clean aesthetic. We've used standard fasteners wherever we could make it work and concentrated threads in low-cost replaceable parts. The exception to this is the bottom bracket, which remains BSA. There is also a down tube protector, which is pretty vital on the W slate. If you're looking for a bike that can take everything you can throw at it, that's rugged and easy to maintain, yet still has that performance at a more accessible price point, the S170 is for you. To find out more, visit our website at athertonbikes.com.